This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kathleen Lemnyansky. Adorable 2-bedroom/2B condo in the Turtle Lake Golf Colony, updated with plank ceramic tile, new appliances and AC replaced 1 year ago. This condo is being sold turnkey/furnished and ready for you to enjoy this tropical paradise. Beautiful park-like settling for a relaxing afternoon on your screened lanai or to enjoy your morning coffee. Beautiful updates throughout and tastefully neutral furniture make this condo move-in ready. Perfectly located with lots of shopping nearby plus a short distance to the white sand beaches of Naples. Whether you are looking for a cozy little home or a winter getaway, this is the perfect piece of paradise. For more information, review the details below or contact Kathleen Lemnyansky at 239-571-9239.